Welcome back. Now we have our domain name in place. It's time to buy web hosting. Once again, copy and paste in the browser the link I've included in the previous video. It should take you right to this page. Go over hosting and click on shared hosting. And you have three options: Stellar, Stellar Plus, and Stellar Business. The first plan costs $2.88 a month, and you can add up to 3 websites. The other ones give you unlimited websites. If you're just starting out, the first plan is enough for the moment. You can upgrade later once your website starts to receive higher amounts of traffic. You have 2 options right here: 1 month for $2.88 or 1 year for $25. That's just $2 a month. So if you buy the yearly plan, you will save some money. Just for demonstration purposes, I'm gonna go ahead and buy just 1 month. Click Add to Cart. Next, select the search option. I use a domain I own with Namecheap. Select your domain name and click Continue. Then click Confirm Order. Select PayPal once again. Make sure to check this box right here and click Checkout with PayPal. Click Continue. And we're done. In the next video, I'm gonna show you how to log in into your cPanel.